Hi everyone, welcome to BALC Cadd. In this video, let us draw one more simple drawing in AutoCAD so that we'll get a better idea how to draw drawings. So in this class, I'll be drawing this simple example. So let us go to AutoCAD. So in order to do this drawing, I'll be taking a line first. Why? Because the distance between both the centers is given as 129. So I'll be taking a line and we'll be defining the length of line as 129. And now here you can see at the first end there is a hexagon and the second end there is a pentagon. In order to do this, we go for polygon. Here we'll enter number of sides as 6. Enter, and then we'll specify the center of the polygon, and we should specify whether it is inscribed in a circle or circumscribed about the circle. Here you can see our circle is circumscribed about the circle. So I will be selecting this circumscribed about the circle and will give a distance as 20. Again, same, we will go for polygon itself. Here enter number of sides as 5. At this end, inscribed in a circle, and the height is 15. Then next, we'll go for circle. This as a center point. We'll be drawing a circle with a radius 30. Again, this is the center point with the radius 20. And here you can see that a center line is at a distance of 20 and a small groove at a distance of 10. So I'll go for offset command. Here we will be selecting offset distance as 10. And let's offset this line above 10 and then below the line 10. So the total distance will be 20 as defined in the drawing. Now I'll go to trim option and trim these extra lines. Like this, we will be trimming. And also there is a fillet radius given, but the radius is not mentioned. So let us assume the radius as 10 and we will do our drawing. Go for fillet radius as 10. We will be filleting this line and then this line. Again this edge and other two edges. So this is how we get the filleted edge, and in center we have a groove at a distance of 70 and a height of 10. In order to do this, we offset our line for 5 and both the sides like this. Next I will be drawing a center line from the midpoint of a line. I will be drawing a simple center line like this. Now, in order to draw this groove, let me measure this line dimension. So the length of this line is 79, but we need a groove at 70. So what I will do is, from this end I will be calculating my center point of a circle. That is, from this end it will be 4.5 plus 5. So totally it will be 9.5. So what I will do is, we will delete this line. We will go for a line, and from here I will be taking a length of 9.5, and taking this as a center, I will be drawing a circle. this is my center point and the diameter is 10. Then now I will be mirroring this curve over the center line. So go for mirror. Here task force select the object. I will be selecting this object. Enter, and I will be selecting a first and then end point of a line, so that my curve gets mirrored. Here it is asking for erase source object. I will give it as no. So now again we will go for trim option and we will trim this extra line. So this is how we will draw drawings in AutoCAD. Now delete this extra lines. Now let us do dimensions for this drawing. You go for dimension. From this center to this center it should be 129. It is correct. Also from this center to this height it should be 20. Correct. This thing should be 15. This distance it should be 10. This height it should be 20. Also the radius it should be 30. And this is 20. And also the groove length for linear from this end to this end it should be 70. So this is how we do a drawing in AutoCAD. So this is for now. Let's meet in a next video. Thank you.